When you create users in your account, there are several system fields available by default, like first name, last name, phone, email, etc. In addition, you can also create custom fields to store more data about each user, like their work anniversaries, gender, marital status, or anything you like. Navigate to Settings, Users and Permissions, and under User Settings, click User Fields. By default, there are 10 custom fields created in your account. You can simply edit them, rename them according to your requirements, and start using them right away. But note that the data type for these fields is text, and you won't be able to change that. Click Create to create new custom fields of other data types like number, date time, drop-down, and long text that supports 1,024 characters. If you select drop-down, click the gear icon to add the drop-down options. Enter a display name and schema name, which is used to refer to the field in API calls. Only alphanumeric characters and underscores are allowed here. You can make the field mandatory, in which case admins can't create users without entering a value for the field. When you make the field editable, it can be edited by all user roles. Otherwise, only admins can edit the value. The hidden option allows admins to hide the field from all other user roles. Use this for fields like telephony system IDs, payroll IDs, etc. Don't forget to save the new field. On the Manage Users page, when creating or editing a user, click the Other Details tab to find all the custom fields you've created, and click Edit to populate them with the appropriate values. Depending on the settings you configured, users can also populate the fields themselves from their profiles. You can also filter out users through advanced search. Using the custom fields created in your account,